Hello, I'm Devyani Patil, Assistant Professor from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp, Pune. Today, we will discuss subtopic from computer graphics, that is the input devices. Input devices are mostly useful to give input to the computer system. So, which type of computer input devices are available or we can use in computer graphics to give input? These devices are helpful to the user to create some moves, to draw some pictures, to give some animated movements to any image. So, here are some input devices are listed in this slide: keyboard, mouse, trackball, spaceball, tablets, light pen, joystick, touch panel, and data glove. These input devices are basically used in computer graphics. At the early stage, there was the old versions of all these devices were available. But as per the drawbacks removed from the old devices, advanced input devices are created, and those advanced input devices are available in the market. These devices will give you the extra functionality from its old version. So first, we will start with a simple input device, that is a keyboard. We all know the computer keyboard. There are so many brands keyboards are available in the market. Here I am showing a simple keyboard. Keyboard contains all type of alphabetical keys, numerical keys, some special character, functional keys, and there are again so many keys which you can use for the different purpose. Some keyboards having 102 keys, some keyboards having 104 keys, and some are having 108 keys. But the functionality of the all keyboards are same. We can create many shortcut keys with the help of this type of input device. So, with the help of combination of two or three keys, we can create shortcut. By pressing a key from the keyboard, you can give a command to the computer system. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. Once you will press any key from the keyboard, it will be considered as a command given to your computer system. It is a primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as key for specific functions. A keyboard is connected to a computer system using a cable or a wireless connection. Keyboard with a cable having the same functionality as the keyboard which don't have any cable, that is the wireless keyboard. It is one of the most used input devices from computers for computers. Using a keyboard to enter lots of data is called as a typing. So, with the help of pressing keys, we can give input to the computer system. Next, another important input device that we are know very well, that is a mouse. There are some versions of the mouse, or we can say there are so many types of mouse are available in the market. Some mouse are optical mouse, some mouse are cordless or wireless mouse, and some mouse are mechanical mouse. Here in the diagram of the mechanical mouse we are showing a red circle. This type of mouse are having a ball at its bottom, and with the movements of this ball the cursor will move on the screen. But the advanced version of the mechanical mouse is a optical mouse. The function of the mechanical mouse, optical mouse, cordless or wireless mouse is same. So we will go one by one. What is a mechanical mouse? It has a system of a ball and several rollers to track its movement. It is a corded type of mouse. A mechanical mouse can be used for high performance. The drawback is that they tend to get dust into the mechanics and thus require regular cleaning, and this cleaning is not easily done. So, some changes are happened in the mechanical mouse and optical mouse are created. An optical mouse uses optical electronics to track its movement. It is more reliable than mechanical mouse and also requires less maintenance. However, its performance is affected by the surface on which it is operated. Plain, non-glossy mouse mat should be used for best result. The rough surface may cause problem for the optical recognition system, and the glossy surface may reflect the light wrongly and thus may cause tracking issue. Cordless or wireless mouse. As the name suggests, this type of mouse lacks cable and uses wireless technology such as IRDA, that is the infrared or radio, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. To control the movement of the cursor, these mounts are useful. It is used to improve the experience of using a mouse. It uses batteries for its power supply because it is a cordless mouse. Next, input device, that is a trackball. This input device is not commonly used by the users, but at some levels or at some functions trackballs are mostly used. A trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by the socket containing sensors to detect a rotation of the ball about to axis. Like an upside down mouse with an exposed protruding ball. Users roll the ball to position the on-screen pointer using their thumb, fingers, or commonly the palm of the hand while using the fingertips to press the mouse buttons. Trackball's ball is fitted on palm, so with the movements of palm we can move the ball and we can change the cursor position on screen. With most trackballs, operators have to lift their finger, thumb or hand and reposition in on the ball to continue rolling. Whereas a mouse would have to be lifted itself and repositioned. Some trackballs have notably low friction as well as being made of dense material such as a glass, so they can be spun to make them coast. The trackball's buttons may be situated to that of the mouse or to unique style that suits the user. Next input device is a spaceball. There is a little bit difference between a spaceball and trackball structure. Spaceball, a graphical input device that is based on a fixed spherical ball. It inputs six different values defined by the orientation of the ball and the pressure together with the direction that is applied to it. It allows complex objects to be positioned and rotated in a three-dimensional space using the single input device. Internally, a spaceball is normally made from a set of strain gauges. Thank you.